How to get a Sora 2 invite code for OpenAI's AI video app. If you've been itching to try OpenAI Sora 2, the next-gen AI video app that got everything buzzing, then you're in the right place. Let's walk through exactly how you get an invite code, step by step. Are you ready? Let's roll. Step 1. Join the official channels. Head over to the OpenAI's Discord or follow their social media. That's where fresh Sora 2 invite codes drop. Step 2. Use your existing ChatGPT account. If you're already on ChatGPT Plus or Pro, you might get direct access or be prioritized. Step 3. Get one from a friend who's already in. Every Sora 2 user has a limited number of codes to share, so ask around your network. Now, some pro tips to boost your chances. Set the notifications in your Discord or Telegram so you're the first to see new code drops. Avoid buying codes from sketchy resellers. If you're outside the US or Canada, some codes are region locked. A VPN can sometimes help, but proceed carefully. Finally, once you get the invite code, go to the Sora 2 app or official site. Enter the code, sign up, and you're in. Instantly, start generating AI videos like a pro. But remember, the early access is limited, and you holding a code is your ticket in. So go get it, claim it, create something wild, and enjoy diving into the future of AI video. And that's it.